Look, a hawk.
Wow, that's beautiful. Hey, slow down. There's a lamb right there.
I've got an emergency here. A lamb is stuck in a ditch near the creek. It's barely breathing. Please send help fast. Please, you have to send someone right away. It's a small black lamb. It's trapped in the ditch just off the main path. Okay, I'll wait.
Yes, this is the commander. Report.
Right, yes, I understand. Where was the drop-off point exactly?
And the vehicle description.
Okay, got it.
Ditch rescue. Lamb in distress. Civilian on site. Full gear. Ropes and ladder from storage. Briefing in 60 seconds. Move. Ropes for extraction, portable ladder for the banks, standard animal rescue protocol. Let's not keep that lamb waiting.
Ditch is narrow, 4 feet deep, mud base. Young man tried a vine, failed. We'll use the extendable ladder for access, harness the...
Sergeant, haul that 50-foot braided nylon, rated for 500 pounds. Test the carabiners.
Ladder good, 6 feet extended, lightweight for the banks.
Vests on, helmets too, ditch mud's no joke. Load and roll!
Comms check complete. Let's deploy.
Strap it down tight. The meadow roads are rutted. Understood.
Mount up, Constable drives, Sergeant maps the irrigation grid. ETA 10 minutes to the gravel trail.
All secure back there?
Left at the forked oak, then straight to the meadow edge. Ditch runs parallel to the trail. Can't miss the bleats.
Thank God you're here, she's fading fast. Vine snapped on me. It's a little lamb, maybe a week old, slipped in chasing butterflies.
Good work holding out. Tell us the lay. Depth, water level, any injuries visible? Steep drop, about 4 feet. Mud's viscous, lad'll bridge it clean. Rope sling for the lift, no snags from reeds.
Ladder's set, stable span. I'll spot from this side, Commander. You harness the lamb once down.
He's all right, just needed a little help.
Oh, thank you so much.
Hypothermic, but no brakes. Fluids will perk her right up.
Strong heartbeat, team. Solid extract. Civilian, you spot her folks nearby. We'll wait for recovery.
Saw her at you grazing upslope. Probably hers. She's warming already.
On her feet, look at that spunk.